Your systems are protected, your network is secure, but your cloud storage is exposed. How is that possible? In today's digital world, organizations rely on both traditional systems and cloud platforms. But many professionals still confuse cloud security with cybersecurity. Understanding the difference is critical for building secure systems. In this video, we will break down what each means, how they differ, and why both matter. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity focuses on protecting systems, networks, and data from digital threats. It includes protection against malware, phishing, data breaches, and unauthorized access. It applies across all environments, including devices, servers, and networks. The goal is to detect, prevent, and respond to threats. What is cloud security? Cloud security focuses on protecting data, applications, and services in the cloud. It addresses risks like misconfigured storage, weak access controls, and data exposure. A key concept is the shared responsibility model. Providers secure infrastructure, while organizations secure data and access. Key differences explained. In traditional cybersecurity, organizations manage their infrastructure. In cloud environments, control is shared. Cybersecurity handles general threats, while cloud security focuses on cloud-specific risks. The main difference between cybersecurity and cloud security lies in scope and focus, which will be discussed now. Cybersecurity is broad. It protects systems, networks, and data across all environments. Cloud security is specific. It focuses only on cloud-based data and services. There is also a difference in control. Cybersecurity is fully managed by organizations, while cloud security follows a shared responsibility model. Cybersecurity handles general threats, while cloud security addresses cloud-specific risks. In simple terms, cybersecurity is the overall defense, and cloud security is a specialized layer within it. Think of it this way. Cybersecurity is the overall defense system. Cloud security is a specialized layer within that system. Why both matter together? Modern organizations need both. Cybersecurity protects the overall system. Cloud security protects cloud-based assets. Without cybersecurity, systems are exposed. Without cloud security, cloud environments are vulnerable. Together, they provide end-to-end protection. Real-world example. Imagine storing customer data in the cloud. Cybersecurity protects against external attacks. But if cloud storage is misconfigured, data can still be exposed. Cloud security ensures proper access, encryption, and monitoring. Together, they prevent both external threats and internal vulnerabilities. Security is no longer a single layer. It is a system of layers working together. Cloud security and cybersecurity are part of that system, and understanding both is what keeps modern organizations protected. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on technology and professional skills.